Hello, and good morning. Welcome to the channel if you are new here, and welcome back if you are returning. I just finished a wonderful, luxurious 3-day cruise to the Bahamas on Royal Caribbean International Cruise Lines. So I'm so excited to share with you all this amazing trip. So stay tuned and let's get right on into today's video.
I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time, waste your time.
Alright y'all, so we just finished day one of dinner. It's super early. We actually have a 5:30 seating, so it's actually pretty early. Everything was pretty good. We couldn't finish all of it because it's so early that we weren't as hungry as we normally are. But overall, I would say, what would you rate it? Like an 8 out of 10? 7 out of 10?
7.
7 out of 10? Yeah,
We were just full,
not too bad.
but we are going to get it changed.
I'm not a water person. I'm a big one. I like to delicate
You don't understand what I'm trying to say. Alright y'all, so we just came from outside to watch the sunset on one of the higher level decks and just kind of getting ourselves acclimated to the ship, looking around, trying to see where things are. And then there is an ice skating show in about an hour that we really want to go to, so that should be really cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you guys any of that, but I will try my best. I think that was just to see if we needed anything before it got made up, is what I'm gonna assume. Alright y'all, so we are in the theater waiting for the show to start. So I'm so excited. I've never been on a Royal Caribbean cruise before, so this will be our first show. I heard they have really good shows. The fact that it's ice skating is super interesting to me, so I can't wait to see what they come up with. Alright y'all, I don't know if you can hear me because of the music, but the ice skating show was phenomenal. 10 out of 10. Like, I literally would have paid money to see the show. What did you think about the ice skating show?
Oh, it was really nice. Never seen anything like that before.
That was really good. So now we are in a different theater for a welcome aboard show, a comedy. I think they're gonna have some dancers. The cruise director is kind of gonna officially welcome everybody on board and everything like that. So that should be also really fun. But again, y'all, that ice skating show was amazing. So good. Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to the Bahamas. Good morning, everyone. It is breakfast time. We have sailed into CocoCay, Bahamas, so we've got to get a little bit of fuel before we head off the ship. Got the breakfast menu. Mommy, make sure you know what you want.
I want French toast and an omelet with 2 pieces of bacon. Bam.
Oh my God.
I'm ready.
Hungry.
Thanks.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Outfit change. So y'all not gonna believe this. I forgot my camera on the ship, so literally did not get a chance to record, at least on my digital camera, any part of today. But let me just tell y'all, today was so much fun. I'm gonna try and insert some clips and videos that I took from my phone, but today was so much fun. So we went to an island in the Bahamas called CocoCay, and I mean, they had lunch for us. They had so many different activities that you could pre-book: jet skis, like the paddle boards, kayaking. What else do they have? Beach chairs, food again, drinks, multiple bars. I mean, it was such a good day, and they kept saying, oh, it's a perfect day in CocoCay, perfect day in CocoCay. And I'm like, oh, that's cute or whatever. But it literally was the perfect day to relax and just rejuvenate. I mean, I really enjoyed myself. Like, I could speak for my mom too. Like, I know she did. Like, we both had a blast, but like in a very relaxing, just chill kind of way, you know what I mean? Like, we didn't do anything too strenuous. We just literally just had a good time and relaxed, which I really honestly enjoyed. So now we are getting ready to go to dinner for this day 2 dinner, and then from there I had to see like what I put on our calendar, because there's like a lot of activities and things that you can do. And then tomorrow we're off to Nassau, so I will try to remember to keep my camera with me tomorrow so y'all can kind of see what we got into when we sail into Nassau, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so I'll keep y'all tuned for the rest of the night, and then we'll go from there. Hey y'all, so outfit change because we had a bit of a wardrobe malfunction. But anyway, dinner was just okay today, to be completely honest. Not that it was anything wrong with the food, but I just couldn't find anything that appealed to me on the menu today. So I did have a really good soup. It was a vegetable soup, this Italian vegetable soup, and it was absolutely delicious. Like, I honestly would have just gotten like 2 bowls of soup and just had the bread, and that just, you know, I would have taken that as an entree. But I just want y'all to see this view because it is absolutely spectacular. The sun is setting in the background. I don't know, dang it, I wish y'all could see it. Oh, there it is. Y'all, it don't get no better than this. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm just astounded by the beauty of the earth. Like, this is, oh my gosh. Y'all, it's beautiful. Look at it. It is beautiful. So I just had to show y'all. It's not too windy out here, but I just like want to take this in because this is so freaking cool. Oh, that's gorgeous. Y'all, look at this cute cupcake shop. It's so adorable. And I had to get me
My country are so expensive. So right here.
yeah. Yeah.
The Red Bull. Negative. Yes. I'll be right back.
Okay. Good morning, y'all. So we are in Nassau, and today we have, and I kind of talked about a little about this last night, but we have a little excursion planned. So it's breakfast time, trying to fuel our bodies before heading off the ship. So this is what we have: French toast, pancakes, baked beans, eggs, chicken sausage, and a hash brown. So we're gonna get some food in our bellies and then get ready for the excursion, which we have about 2 hours before we have to be down there for that. So yeah, I'll show y'all, you know, what we end up getting into and kind of how that goes. But yeah, that's it for right now. So I want y'all to get a chance to see kind of what they typically serve during breakfast. You have the baked beans and the chicken sausage, eggs, boiled and regular. And then they have this beautiful fruit bar with fresh watermelon and melon and pineapples. And the food tastes so good. The fruit is so sweet and fresh. And then they've got pastries, donuts, jam. Here's the beverage station with orange juice, water, and apple juice. And then they switch it out during like lunch and dinner, so it has like lemonade and fruit punch and stuff. And then, oh yeah, and then they have toast, toasted bagels, avocado toast, cream cheese, cottage cheese. You guys probably can't see it too much, but there's smoked salmon. And then they have these parfaits. Oh, yeah, they have a blueberry parfait, and then it looks like overnight oats. I've never tried overnight oats, Mom. I actually want to try it. Can you give me one slice of bacon? With what hand? I don't think I'm gonna like it. We are on our way back to the room for just a brief second, maybe like an hour. Well, no, we can get off earlier, Mommy. We don't have to wait until the last second. Right. So maybe like 30, 45 minutes, and then we'll head back. All right, y'all, so we're off the ship, just waiting for the actual tour to start. It's a very long line, a lot of people to show y'all. So yeah. Y'all, look at this ship on the right compared to the one on the left. They're both carnival ships. Just look at the difference in size. That is crazy.
Can I get a woo-hoo? Woo-hoo! All right, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get this party started, folks. And remember, your bus license plate number is 78. 78 is your bus license. Anybody remember the bus license plate number? 78. All right. Look over here to my left. This here's the bags, t-shirts from your native Bahamian drink, like your Bahama Mama, rum punch, sky juice. The ladies over here, these are the licensed here braiders. In the front of the House of Parliament, there's a statue of Queen Victoria. Before we became independent in 19...
We're at the rum cake factory.
That's what it is to travel. You gotta be there, though. He ain't gonna leave you. He didn't know. We got 14.
Originally the right pina colada in the left, guys. We have a long line in the back. Originally the right pina colada in the left, try both flavors.
Oh, I'm sorry. You said one, didn't you?
Originally right, try all two.
Oh, okay.
Originally right pina colada in the left, try both flavors. I have one small cake in the front there.
Hey.
The samples are right there.
This is a beach soccer stadium. This is where they play beach soccer, right there.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, beach soccer. On a daily basis, we have anywhere between 2 to 6 cruise ships in the Bahamas on a daily basis.
Wow.
We had 6 yesterday, 4 today, gonna have another 5 tomorrow. The building to the far left is called the Reef, a part of the Atlantis. The next big building here, folks, is called the Royal Towers. If you look good inside the Royal Towers, there's a piece goes across like a bridge. Everybody celebrity who stayed in the bridge suite was the late Michael Jackson, then Michael Jordan.
Okay.
The Atlantis was built between 92 and 90.
And this is the Atlantis Resort. Just gonna look at the shops and stuff like that. Paradise Island. And you got David Yurman, Rolex. What else? Is this Balenciaga? Balenciaga. I said Balenciaga. Balenciaga. I don't like them no more though. I love them. I love this brand. I want me a YSL.
Stone fully air conditioned. You see this big tree in the front of the church? This is what they call a wild tamarind tree. Looking at the root of that tree tells me that tree is almost the same age of the church. Doctor's Hospital is a private hospital built in 1955 by a doctor by the name of Dr. Maya Roslin. To go in emergency room, you're going to need at least $3,000 down or good medical insurance. It is a must that everybody have to wear the school uniform. School goes in at 8:35 and get out at 3 p.m. If you attend a public school in the Bahamas, graduated with a 3.0 average or more, get yourself a scholarship to go to the University of the Commonwealth of the Bahamas. Alright, let me point out some stuff here. All of this is a part of Grey Cliff. You see right here to my right? This is
Let's go get some chocolates, y'all. Oops.
This is the chocolate, yeah.
Okay. Mommy, what is it? Oh, dark chocolate. No, I know that. Mommy wants some.
Sweet white with a peach finish.
Okay. Sweet white with the peach finish.
Yeah.
Okay.
$7 a bottle.
All right, y'all, last stop is the distillery. Because y'all know there's a lot of alcohol here on the island with the rum cake that they make and everything else. So we're about to head on in here, see what's going on. Where's the sample? That's all I want. Also, I just want a sample as well. Where's that at? Mom, please be careful on these stairs. They're black. Mom, you tripped in Hawaii.
So how they're being made from a sugar cane, this makes it gluten and GMO free. We filter it twice.
They got the samples out. Well, almost. Alright, y'all. Look at these jerk chicken tacos. Ooh. Them things look good. Alright, y'all. We're heading back to the ship. What'd you think about the tour?
Nice tour, and you really enjoyed it.
I liked it. Especially for the price. I mean, it wasn't bad. I think you got to see a little bit of everything. You got some history in there.
Got to taste a few things.
Taste some food, even though the food wasn't included. So I guess when you add it up, nah. But yeah, I mean, they're gonna tax on these type of tours and stuff. So I'm not mad about it. Jerk chicken tacos, 10 out of 10. Chicken could have been a little bit more tender, but the taste was definitely there.
Really good. Don't forget the free rum cake.
We did have a lot of samples. They had wine samples, rum samples, pina colada samples. So we had a lot of samples on the trip. So honestly, yeah, it was worth the price for sure. But I think it was nice. I think I really enjoyed it. Now, I'm about to see if I can sign up for this ice skating. You're supposed to sign up earlier, and then it's supposed to start at 5. So I don't know. We may not even get a chance to do it. But we're going to go and check it out and see what's up. Because I'm trying to do everything, y'all. This is the last day / night. So we land back in Miami or Fort Lauderdale tomorrow. So, you know, we got to take advantage of everything we haven't done within reason. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Count. The salad.
Pardon?
A salad.
Caesar salad?
Alright, y'all. Ooh, greasy face. Oh my gosh. But y'all, I am in a rush because I have to change into some pants and grab some socks for ice skating. But I will show y'all how it is ice skating on a cruise ship. So let's get it. Alright, y'all. This is where you do the ice skating in Studio B. This is also where the ice skating show was. Makes sense, right? So let's see. I already signed up. Let's see what I need to do. y'all, I have to check out the fitness center before I leave. This is really nice. Oh yeah, sorry. They have pretty much a full-scale fitness center, y'all. This is amazing. They got a leg press, treadmill. I got it all, y'all. There's so much cardio equipment. Yeah, we just came back from the fitness area, fitness center, spa, sauna, steam room. Like, they got it all, okay? And then we're actually running late for the 9 o'clock Broadway show. It's hard fitting everything that we went to, that we missed out on into the last night. But we are trying our best, y'all. We are trying our best. But this is what happens when you're on a cruise and they have so many different activities and you're only on a 3-day one. So it's really hard to get a chance to do everything, but we're trying our best. Good morning, everyone. It's day 4, which is technically go home day. So as y'all can see here, we have landed back in, I don't know why I say landed. Is that how you, I don't know if it's the same terminology. But anyway, we have sailed back and landed back in Fort Lauderdale. So funny thing is, y'all, I gotta go to work today, so I gotta hurry up and get off this ship. We're gonna go ahead and get some breakfast and then head back home. This is what happens when you are only 20 minutes from a cruise port. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, everything was so much fun. I'll try and do like a little recap when I get home, y'all, but that's kind of what we're up to now, just trying to get off the ship and get the day started. And that's a wrap for today's video. I really enjoyed sharing with you all my first experience on Royal Caribbean International Cruise Line. So I hope you enjoyed the video as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but I have cruised before on Carnival. So if you all have any questions about cruising in general, about my particular experience, please drop those questions down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and of course click that subscribe button. And as always, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.